So what we've got here are backing plates that fit onto the brake system of the 3.5 litre V8 that we're rebuilding, and we've got a backing plate here that we're going to refurbish, but it's missing the bracket that holds the backing plate onto the caliper, and this is the bracket, and you can't just go and buy this off the shelf. We're going to fabricate a new bracket so we can fit the backing plate onto the caliper. So there is the finished bracket. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit, and then we're going to give it a coat of paint. But yeah, it's got captive nuts welded onto it, and as you can see, the holes match up. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe, and keep watching for more.